Hi, we're Roma
And Maan
of Popjunk Club and Common Room PH, and today we're going to share with you 3 mistakes when scaling up your business for today's Boz Session.
So today, we'll explain kung ano yung mga mistakes na na-experience namin while growing our business and tips on how to avoid them for your business. So stay tuned!
For those who are new here, Common Room is a shared retail and digital space for over 200 Filipino makers and artists. If you're looking for unique, locally made products, we have branches in Power Plant Mall, UP Town Center, Alabang Town Center, and Ayala Malls, Manila Bay.
Mistake number 1, wala kaming alam sa business basics, as in zero.
We're both not graduates of business. I graduated Pol Sci.
I graduated Com.
In short, allergic kami sa math.
Yes, and Excel sheets. So
when we started Popjunk Club 16 years ago, for those who don't know, Popjunk Club is our small business. We started it at home and eventually nag-save up kami, ayun nga, nag-scale up kami, ganyan, nagkakamali kami, nag-fail kami, and eventually, after almost a decade, natayo na namin ang Common Room. Pero maraming mistakes kaming pinagdaanan.
nung time na yun, we really didn't understand what the numbers meant, how we can compute kung we were even profiting in the first place. Time na yun, nililista lang namin yung mga actual sales, pero how much we were spending on the raw materials, our transpo, and yung mga online orders. Hindi namin siya ina-account at all. I don't know kung paano kami nabuhay nun.
So I guess that's also the reason kung bakit it took us a very long time to grow properly.
Yeah.
I'm sure marami sa inyo na sana mag-focus na lang tayo sa art side or creating side of, you know, doing our products. But again, it is still a business. So if you guys really want to scale up your business, we really need to conquer our fear of numbers. Kung wala kang alam sa mga numbers, etc., talaga nakakatakot siya. Kaya sobrang swerte nyo guys ngayon. Kasi if we only had the tools you have today, at the time when we were starting out, I'm sure hindi ganon nagkagulo ang mga numbers namin financially, and probably, mas mabilis naming na-scale up ang business namin. So we're so happy to introduce to you guys the sponsor of this video, ang the new RCBC Boz app.
This app is so easy to use kasi sobrang dami yung features specific to businesses like us, no? Meron siyang payroll system, may tracking siya ng mga expenses, and it even has like a weekly or monthly report. So it automates a lot of your financial transactions, no? So it's super easy for you to face the numbers and do the math.
With the tools that you have today, guys, talagang wala na tayong excuse not to face the numbers. And again, sobrang importante to face these important details in your business for you to be able to decide whether or not it's the right time to scale up. Mistake number 2. Mixing our personal with business finances. Oh my gosh! Please sabihin yung hindi lang kami ang nag-iisang gumawa nito. In our small business, 16 years ago, we were breadwinners, diba, Ate Maan? Lahat talaga ng money namin, halo-halo.
Basically, it's just like one pool of
money coming in and coming out. Ibig sabihin, even our expenses sa business and expenses natin ay halo-halo na talaga.
So as early as now, even if you're just starting out, dapat make sure that your personal and your business accounts are separate. So yung personal account nyo is, of course, yung mga panggastos nyo sa bahay, yung food, electricity, everything that is for you. And then, lahat ng kita nyo, profit from your fares, online orders, yung expenses nyo sa mga suppliers, mga raw materials, dapat sa business account niyo nilalagay so that your funds are clear kung ano yung delineation ng personal and business.
And ang importance of separating your personal and business is that alam mo kung ano yung pera ng business and magkano yung pwede mong i-reinvest sa business. Because when we scale up our business, it means it would require more funds from us. So, paano ka mag-reinvest to grow your business if you don't have the funds already dahil nagastos mo na siya sa personal expenses? I guess that explains kung bakit sobrang tagal natin nag-grow, di ba, Ate Maan?
Yes, hindi namin talaga super nakita na yung capital ng business actually pinangbayad namin sa tuition or sa electricity ng bahay. So, even yung capital or savings na supposedly dapat for the business or dapat mong bayad ng supplies, ginamit namin siya sa personals. Hindi clear na nakikita kung magkano ba talaga yung meron ka for your business funds. So, para maiwasan yung mistake na yun, guys, na yung financials nyo for personal and business, maghahalo-halo. It's so easy if you have the RCBC Boss app because it helps you track and organize yung expenses. Kung ano yung pumapasok, lumalabas from your personal and business, magkahiwalay siya.
Hindi nyo na kailangan maghalukay pa ng mga old resibo na isulat mo na ba to, na ilagay mo na ba siya sa Excel mo, ganyan. Parang, ito ba yun or ito? Hindi. You just do everything within the app. You pay your suppliers in the app, you charge your clients through the app, and everything will be automated for you. It will be tagged as a collection and will be tagged as expense. I'm going to show you how. Ang maganda, nasa phone mo na lang siya. It doesn't have to be in your desktop. You just click it. We can just check here in the Boz app. So I'll just log in. This is your business account. Again, sinabi ko sa inyo, you should have a different account for your business and your personal. So here you will see that you have a tab for collection and you also have a tab for expenses. So every time you pay a supplier, you just go to your expenses and pay a supplier. Either other banks, RCBC, it's similar to how you transfer funds. And different lang is that meron siyang nakalagay, what is the type of expense? Guys, tignan nyo naman. Oh, cable, internet, charities, credit cards. It's here. It's tagged. You can just tag it every time you pay a supplier. Or, ang hirap naman. Alam niyo yung ang hirap, yung ano ba yung account number nito? Ganyan. Di ba? Iisipin mo pa, hanapin mo pa yung fast dito. You can just add your suppliers here and all their details are here. For example, yung sister ko kasi is a partner of the business and she does a lot of advances for the business sometimes from her own money. So we need to pay her. She's considered a supplier. So we pay her. Here, nandito na lahat ng details niya. You just pay. I tagged her under supplies and materials. Just punch the amount and then confirm, pay. We wait for the OTP, submit. Submitted. Back to expenses. Wala ka nang isipin. It's tagged as an expense. You don't have to record it in your small notebook, transfer it in Excel, categorize it again. My gosh, nakaka-professional talaga. Parang boss na boss talaga. It's all automated through the app. You can really just focus on creating for your business.
Guys, mistake number 3 is making decisions based on feelings and not data. Ayan.
Bakit ba? Confident ako eh.
Tips kami niyan.
Charge to experience talaga siya. Sorry to say guys that when I left my day job, I went full-time. We took out a loan. Kasi bakit parang hindi namin mapagkasya yung money? And then I ended up returning to work.
Because the numbers were not really on our side. Kala lang namin, since meron kaming online orders at active kami sa mga bazaars, feeling namin kumikita na kami noon. So, isang classification na you really have to befriend your numbers. Like, even if sasabihin natin na masaya naman talaga mag-create, it's a courageous step for your business if you go full-time. But again, at the end of the day, if you don't have the numbers to back up yung pag full-time mo, maybe it's not the best move yet for you.
You will know if it's time to scale up your business if you know the numbers that you need to target, so that you know that the business will be stable and you can still support your family or yourself, the numbers clearly is saying that you are ready to take the jump. And what's nice about the Boz app is that hindi mo na kailangan ng hulaan kung
Yes,
paano.
makikita mo na siya
Yes.
because naka-record siya for you. Weekly, monthly, yearly, you can see your numbers if you're actually growing or baka naman lugi ka pala for that month.
Imagine mo kung ini-excel mo yon and stuff, magpa-plug ka pa ng mga formulas, etc. So, it feels so tedious. But with the Boz app, talagang it's just click. You do
Automatic.
everything in-app expense and sales. And then, at the end of each month, or even week, you can see how much you're earning and how much you're spending. So for the purposes of this video, hawak natin ang phone ng ating client, which is my sister. So makikita nyo na when you send an invoice, nagbibigay din sila ng text, RCBC saying that you received, Pubjong Club Enterprises has issued an invoice amounting to 10,000 due on this date. When the client goes to her mail, makikita na niya yung invoice from Pubjong Club Enterprises. Ang professional, guys! You just do what I showed you earlier and then it will send the invoice with all your payment details. Nagkatulad ng ganito. So, it's recorded already as a collection. Hindi mo na kailangan i-note separately in another spreadsheet or in whatever tracking tool you're using. Kasi straight from the app, it's recorded as an income. Yung expense na binayad natin is already recorded as an expense. So this is the money in your account. And then isipin mo, wow! Yaman naman ng business ko. Dami kong earnings this month. Ganyan. You may have 99,000 in your account, but 45,000 of that you use for expenses, and ang earnings mo lang talaga for the month is 24,950. Parang 'di ba, it puts everything in perspective. Majority of this money is something that you use for the business. So kung magre-reinvest ka sa business, okay, I can't reinvest the entire 90 kasi baka may overhead tayong binabayaran pa. You have 24,000 left. Magkano pa yung pwede kong i-reinvest for new things for the business? So parang hindi ka magre-reinvest ng walang basihan. Sobrang, guys, seryoso ba yun? Pinindot mo na lang yon, tapos meron ka ng weekly, meron ka ng monthly, and even yearly report. Yun lang. You don't have to do anything. Sobrang
Parang
boss
magic.
Parang boss na boss. It's so easy. Sobrang para talagang nile-level up niya yung game for you guys. Another lesson is even if gaano ka nakatagal sa business, there's still a lot of ways to improve your system and there are a lot of tools that you can tap and sana i-take advantage nyo yun, whether it's an online tutorial, it's a new app, or it's a new tool that will make life easier for you so that you can focus on our favorite part of doing the business, which is making things, making beautiful things for our shoppers.
Guys, sana natuto kayo sa mga mistakes namin. Huwag nyo na siyang gawin. Yung mga epic fails and mishaps namin. Be smarter makers in growing your business. Don't be afraid to try new things and new tools that will help you in your day-to-day processes in your business. No?
So level up your boss.
Tapos download nyo na yung new RCBC Boss app from Google Play and Apple Store.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Please like and share this episode. If you have suggestions or other questions, just leave a comment below. Please visit us at our branches. We have branches in Power Plant Mall, Alabang Town Center, UP Town Center, and Ayala Malls, Manila Bay. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
Bye.
you.